Hey, what's up guys? Sanch here and welcome to the channel. If you're new here and enjoy the content, consider subscribing. But besides that, let's get right into today's video. In today's video, I want to talk about my top 5 whey protein powders on a budget. So let's get right into it. So number one is going to be Amazon.com's own Power. It is their personal supplement brand, and I've actually already went ahead and ordered it. This is what their chocolate looks like. I have 2 of these. I have a vanilla and I have a strawberry coming in the mail as we speak as of today. So as of today, the price is still $17 to $18, $19 for a 5-pound tub. So you're gonna get this for under $20. Now, that's a great price. You're not going to find that. You're not going to be able to beat that. Amazon is able to get an amazing price for a pretty decent product. So speaking of it being a decent product, you're actually going to get about 25 grams of protein for 35, it says here. 35 grams for the serving and 25 grams for protein. Also, just to keep in mind, 1 gram of fat and 4 carbs, one of them being dietary sugar. So it's actually really good. It's a good blend. For me personally, it's the blendability is interesting. Not so much that it gets clumpy, but that when you're actually consuming it, it has a chalky feeling, kind of like a creatine flavor. It kind of has like a creatine consistency, and that's actually because it is a whey blend. It is a whey concentrate, and it is also a casein protein. So keep that in mind when you're going out and purchasing this product. Of course, link in the description. My number 2 choice for a budget whey protein powder is going to be BPI Sports's, they call it their best protein, and I'll put it on the screen for you so you can see what it looks like. And you're going to be getting about 5.1 pounds so you're going to be getting this protein powder for about $31 to $37 is what I've seen online. Of course, link in the description if you want to get that yourself. And they're actually able to pack about 24 grams of protein into about a 34 gram scoop. I'll put it on the screen for the macronutrients for you. So like I said, you're going to get about 24 grams of protein, 1.5 grams of fat, and around 3 grams of carbs. And only one of those carbs is actually going to be from dietary sugars. Our number 3 choice is actually going to be Body Fortress, everyone's favorite Body Fortress whey protein. Get it at Walmart, get it on Amazon, of course, link in the description if you want to get it from Amazon. And it's a pretty standard whey protein blend. It's not the cleanest by any stretch of the imagination, but for the price, it is very hard to beat. So a 5-pound tub, this is a 2-pound tub, just for size comparison. But for a 5-pound tub, you're going to be able to get it about around $34. And so always keep that in mind when you're shopping. The online sales are always going to be very nice, but you never know what you'll be able to find locally unless you actually check. So make sure you guys are supporting your local supplement businesses. So getting back into Body Fortress's whey protein, you're going to be getting about 30 grams of protein for a 50-gram scoop. So obviously, if you do the math, you're going to be getting a lot more filler with this product. Filler as in carbs and fats. Specifically, you're going to be getting about 3.5 grams of fat per scoop and 9 grams of carbs per scoop. And only 2 of that is actually sugar, so the rest of it's going to be filler. My number 4, I don't have one physically because I threw it away. I was trying to declutter my place, but my number 4 choice for a budget whey protein powder is actually going to be Nutricost. Now, a lot of people have not heard of Nutricost because they don't do really any advertising, but on Amazon.com, you're able to get this product at a very fair and reasonable price, $40 for a 5-pound tub of a whey concentrate. So it's not an isolate, it is a concentrate. So it's not going to be as pure, as refined. And of course, if you are lactose sensitive, this will play into your decision. Of course, you can pay an extra $5 and get their isolate 5-pound tub for $45, but we want to keep this as affordable as possible. So $40 for a 5-pound tub is a fair price. Of course, I'll put the macros on the screen for you so you can see them, but 25 grams of protein for a 33-gram scoop is not too bad. And the macros are actually pretty decent for the nutricost: 2.5 grams of fat per scoop and 2 grams of carbs per scoop. All right, number 5. Number 5 is a product I have not personally tried myself. So on Amazon.com, it has an amazing price, and I definitely recommend you guys trying it out yourselves. And that being Spartan Whey's protein powder. So as of recording this video, I was able to find a 5-pound tub for $36. So make sure you guys check the description for the link and see what the price is currently. And with this product, the Spartan Whey, you're gonna be getting about 25 grams of protein in a 34-gram scoop. So it's actually pretty decent. It's probably one of the better picks for a pure whey protein powder on this list, but it is just a tiny bit higher on the list in terms of price. So keep that in mind when you're making a decision to purchase. And now that we covered our top 5, I did want to throw in 2 bonus selections for you guys if you're thinking about getting bulk. One of them being Optimum Nutrition's Gold Standard. You can get a 10-pound tub of that for about $89. They have it on sale right now for a ridiculous 40% off on Amazon. So make sure you guys check that out. Click the link in the description and purchase that as soon as you can while the sale is still going. And with this product, you're going to be getting 24 grams of protein in a 30-gram scoop. And the second bonus product is going to be Now Sports' whey protein. And this one is actually an isolate. It's a 10-pound tub, and you're going to be getting it for about $85. Of course, it is on sale, so make sure you guys get that as soon as you can. And that's going to be about 25 grams of protein in a 28-gram scoop. So it's probably one of the more pure options on this list if you're looking for anything close to a whey isolate. And that's going to do it, guys. That's going to be my top 5 with the little 2 bonus items for my top 5 budget whey protein powders. I know everyone is probably still in quarantine. Everyone's still stuck at home, and it's important to maintain your muscle mass as much as you can. So make sure you guys are eating your proteins. Make sure you guys are staying on your contest prep. I hope this video helped you guys find a affordable option for your whey protein powders. Make sure you guys use the links in the description. It always helps out this channel, and all that money is going to go right back into giveaways for you guys. And that's pretty much going to be it, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked the video, consider liking it. If you enjoy me in general and just how I talk and whatnot, consider subscribing. But that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.